Perfect pa rin ang record ng University of the Philippines elimination round ng UAAP Season 87 Men's Basketball. Yan ay matapos nitong tambakan ng National University with almost 30 points. Ang naging tapatan ng dalawang team tutukan sa report na ito. Nananatiling unbeaten ang University of the Philippines sa elimination round ng UAAP Season 87 Men's Basketball. Tinambakan nito ang National University at 89-62 final score. Sa pangungunayan ni Mark Belmonte with 23 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, a steal, and a block. Habang hindi rin nagpauli sa scoring ang Maroons team captain na si JD Kagulangan with 13 points, 4 assists, and 2 rebounds.
All about team, nag-usap-usap kami ng team kami, like kung paano kami babawi. Kasi yung last game namin, parang ang sama nung pagkatapos namin. Naging consistent lang kami hanggang matapos yung game.
Well, definitely much better than the last game, no? You know, Coach Gold, he always talks about improvement. So, what comes with that is also yung response ng mga players. And after nung game namin nung last weekend, so we had the chance to regroup, to do some film viewing, obviously ng games namin and also yung ng NU. And it's all about the players responding.
Strong start ang naging pundasyon ng Fighting Maroons sa magandang laro, delivering 29-14 lead at the opening period. Sa second quarter, lalo pang lumobo ang kalamangan ng Maroons kontra Bulldogs at 53-26. At sa second half, hindi pa rin naitahi ng NU kung paano makakahabol sa UP, still maintaining a huge 76-41 lead before the final period. Susubukan ng Fighting Maroons na mapanatili ang perfect run sa magiging laban nito kontra Far Eastern University sa linggo, habang susubukan namang bumawi ng Bulldogs sa tapatan laban sa University of Santo Tomas sa Sabado.